Most people are installing AI agents directly on their host machines, giving them full admin access. If that agent visits one malicious website or receives one malicious text, it becomes patient zero. It can exfiltrate your SSH keys, read your browser data, and map your local network before you even notice the first loop. This is the glass cannon effect: massive power, zero protection. The secret isn't just having a sandbox, it's knowing if your plugins are actually inside it. In my audit of the February 25th OpenClaw update, I found the bypass. They use Docker for basic scripts, but third-party skills run in process. They inherit your full host permissions and bypass the isolation entirely. It's the ultimate architectural secret. Many platforms trade your security for the agent's utility. Real isolation requires a strict trust boundary. Nanoclaw keeps the AI in a locked room. If it tries to touch your private files, it hits a wall. OpenClaw prioritizes feature power, meaning it leaves the door open so the agent can be useful. One is a secure vault, the other is a powerful assistant that requires you to be the firewall. Next time you look at an AI tech stack, ignore the hype and perform this 3-second audit. 1. Is the sandbox default or opt-in? 2. Do plugins execute in process? 3. Is there network segmentation? If you can't answer these, don't hit install. Understand the architecture, or you're just gambling with your data.